let's be real. How many times have you cooked a delicious dinner after a super long day at work, only to spend more time cleaning it up than actually enjoying the meal with your family?
Between scrubbing the stuck on food, you're using 5 different dishes, and then you have to hunt for a storage container for the leftovers.
It is Alicia Fall-Corton from Simply Gluten-Free Kitchen, your kitchen bestie when it comes to all things gluten-free. Tips, tricks, recipes, substitutions, and of course, some of the best kitchen tools there is. This is where this little beauty comes in, the Pampered Chef Brilliance Nonstick baking pan. It is going to make your life so much easier. Let me break down why this pan is going to be your next kitchen bestie outside of me. The nonstick magic. Seriously, nothing sticks to it. You don't have to scrub, you don't have to soak it overnight. You can literally wipe it off and a little bit of water, boom, it's ready. It also has built-in handles that make it super easy from popping it from the oven onto the table without getting burnt or anything else. It's a perfect fit lid, so you can easily pop it on, store your leftovers without leaks or spills, and then you pop it right into your fridge or the freezer. Now, even though you're probably never going to need to use it, this is dishwasher safe, but really, you're gonna see. It's so easy to clean, and that's my absolute favorite part of this whole entire thing. Honestly, if you are looking for a pan that is going to make your busy weeknights easier and give you more time back and less time and hassle in your kitchen, you're going to want to get this Pampered Chef Brilliance 13x9 nonstick bakeware pan. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. If you have any questions or you want to chat about your favorite busy weeknight dinners that you could pop into this new pan, I would love to hear what works for you. Drop it in the chat. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that little bell for even more tips, tricks, and gluten-free goodness for your kitchen. Until next time.